Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brawl Stars developer build. This special version of the game provides a sneak peek at upcoming features and content before they are released to the public. It's a fantastic opportunity for dedicated players to contribute feedback and help shape the game's future. However, gaining access requires specific steps and understanding its purpose. Let's dive into the details. Officially, the developer build is distributed by Supercell to its internal teams for rigorous testing. Occasionally, a select group of content creators or professional players might receive an exclusive invitation. These invitations are extremely rare and are typically extended to individuals who have significantly contributed to the Brawl Stars community. It's important to understand that there isn't a public application or sign-up process available for this special version of the game. While the idea of playing an early version is exciting, be very cautious of unofficial methods. Many third-party websites claim to offer the developer build, but these are almost always scams. Downloading from such sources can expose your device to malware or viruses, compromising your personal data. Furthermore, using unauthorized builds can result in a permanent ban from Brawl Stars, so it's simply not worth the risk. The safest and best way to experience new Brawl Stars content is through official channels. Make sure to follow Brawl Stars on their official social media platforms for all the latest announcements and sneak peeks. Sometimes, Supercell releases public test servers for specific updates, which is a great way to get an early look. Enjoy the game as it's meant to be played and support the developers by sticking to the official releases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.